Till now, we have learned how to show dynamic text using string interpolation and how to set dynamic properties, events, and attributes to an HTML element. But in Angular, it is also possible to set the styles and classes of an HTML element. So, let us uncover class and style binding in this part. Here is our sample reference project. Let me add a horizontal separator here and add a paragraph and type in Fulltechstack class and style binding. Now, for applying any class to this paragraph, the syntax is pretty simple. You can simply add square brackets and then in here class dot class name, let's say header, and in here we tell Angular if we want to apply this class or not. So you can either hardcode boolean true or false here, or you can assign it a property. Let's say is header applied. Then copy this and go to your component file and declare it. Then assign it, let's say true for now. Now, what this means is that for this paragraph, class header will be applied if this is header applied is true, otherwise it won't. But since this class does not exist, let's first create this. And for that, let's go to the CSS file and create header class here. Header, and then let's set the color as red. Then hit save. And you will see that the class got applied here successfully. You can also inspect this paragraph and see that the class header is present here. Here. Now, let's say I want to apply multiple classes to this paragraph. So, for that, first let's create another class in our CSS file. Let's say bg color and then set background color to yellow. Then go back to your template file and remove this header and dot from here and assign it a property, header class property. Again, copy this and go to your component file and then paste it here and assign it any number of classes you want to assign, which in our case is header and bg color separated by a simple space. Now hit save and you will see that both the classes got applied to this paragraph. Now guys, if we look at this syntax of class binding, instead of simply passing space separated classes as string here, you can replace it with an array and pass the class's name as elements inside the array like this. And it will work exactly the same like before. So we have applied dynamic classes to this paragraph. Now let's try applying dynamic styles to this paragraph. For that, let's go back to our template and instead of using class keyword here, let's use style and then replace this header classes with header styles. Then copy this value and in our component paste it here and assign it style here directly. Let's go to our styles and copy this. Now paste it here and then again copy this and paste this as well. Hit save and you will see that both of our styles are applied here. So guys, in this case we applied multiple styles here, but we can also apply a single style to it. For that, let's write style dot background hyphen color and write bg color here. And in our component file, we will define bg color as, let's say, blue this time, and then hit save and you can see that the background color is applied successfully here. In our template file, here we have used dash casing, but we can also use camel casing here like this. Then hit save and you will see that it is still behaving the same.